Hey there, dancers. This is week 1 of In the Mood. This is the breakdown. I'll do the dance with music in a separate video, or it's on your Dance on Demand login. All right, here we go. Right foot, toe drops. Here we go. 5, 6, right foot, here we go. 1. Step 6, shuffle reverse. 1, 3, step it out.